Welcome back to the Mixed Lovelies and Friends. And on this wonderful, beautiful morning, we have Marcia on the mix. And she's talking about some stuff, that's pertaining to the house that she was before and the lady she's having, this issue with and her not giving her back her money. So guys, go catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my followers, my subscribers, my friends, and family, have yourselves a beautiful day. And guys, remember to always keep one foot in front of the other, meaning that in meaning that when you make a goal, basically you need to go and strive for it. You have to push forward. So you have to keep one foot in front of the other to ensure at all times you're moving towards the mark or the goal that you set for yourself, ensuring that you do not sidetrack yourself or move to the side, but stay on the path that you made or that you created for yourself to get to the goal that you want to reach. Keep your heads up, smile. Remember that you are responsible for your life. You are responsible for whatever it is that you're setting out to be and to do. So take responsibility. Always put in one foot before the other. Ensure that you're not sidestepping yourself, you're not stepping off that track or that path, but you're looking towards the mark of what it is that you set out to do. And guys, have yourselves a beautiful day. Remember that Marcia, she has her products, she's selling her stuff. Go and check out her stuff. She has sheets and other stuff on sale. Go get them now. Have yourselves a beautiful day.
And drag down and use me. It not go work. It not go work. The more you know, put me down, and the more God lift me up. You have 2 children. Your man have a drive truck. You work in a nursing home, and you claim to them give you a position where you go school for. Give me back my 400 before we end up in a court, because me can't tell us say you're going to pay more for it. Give me back my money. Me I got tell you say right now, I am not going to allow you to get away with that the money there. Because me never sign no contract. Me never, a paper never stated say, Marcia have the apartment until March 2025. It just said to who it may concern. Marcia is responsible. Responsible and having it is totally 2 different things. When somebody is responsible, you can't even say, yeah, keep it. Anybody can write a letter to them to a friend and said, say to who it may concern. Okay, because when you wrote that letter, you were writing that letter to write it to somebody, like to take down to the DMV office. It never stated so and so in the right corner, Marcia Campbell and for your name. To who and from. It said to who it may concern. So who that contract was writing to. You think say me an idiot? You can't win me. According to the law. To who it may concern. Who is it concerning? That letter, that paperwork that you give me to sign as a legal paperwork, that is not addressing to me. It can be anybody. It said to who it may concern. Marcia is responsible for this, for the address 151 dash whatever. And she's to pay $1,000 on the 1st and to the 10th. And if she's late, she pays $75. For further information, call and you have your boyfriend and him number. I don't contract that. Get the hell out of here. I don't contract that. I don't mean that. I don't mean to write that too. I had my contract that I was bringing to you, My friend of Canada, who is a professional, she drew up a contract. So I was supposed to go to because when she was taking so long to give me that paperwork, because me even a voicemail, when me I call her for weeks and I said me want the paperwork, And me I say, listen, me need the paperwork and me need receipt because friend and money no mix. Me tell her that na me voicemail. Me can't play that. But me not go over that. So me start telling you how people stay. When this conversation will come up just to show you how people is going to tell lie on you and drag you down when they can't have nothing over you. So when you wrote that paper no legal. That is not a contract. That is like saying, that is like you, like me write a paper and says, to who it may concern, Marcia, Rome, Marcia Campbell is responsible for Rome, and Marcia is responsible for give Rome $500 to pay daycare until such a time. No, I don't contract that. You can't talk to Marcia. Me know, me no idiot. Me well educated when it come to things. Well educated when it come to things. And when me see how this girl, just to show you how people stay will friend you, me telling you, say that's where a lot of us bloggers get catch, you know. When we are social media socialites on here, a lot of people come to us and friend us up. You know how much people call me a half of me money? Marcia, I want to help you. Marcia, I want to send you something. Ask them. Me turn every last one of them down. Except one lady, supporters of mine, where they reach out to me when I was going to Nadine funeral and certain thing. And she from England. And she not come back on my page because one day she come and she hear me I drop some word and she claims she me attack and she begs with me. She used to come over my page and give me star every day. But when I found out something that she was doing something and me say whatever, me start drop my word, she feel offended and she send messages in her WhatsApp and she not come back on my page. You understand? Because you have these people who go around and trying to be, so you have to know who to take something from. Me not ask you. And this is what the things that a lot of bloggers face out there. People come to us and we should take something too, because in a way, but it's the people who will come back and want to throw it in our own face. Because as a personality out here and we are keeping no company and nothing for no bless we. Whether we birthday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, or Valentine's Day, it shouldn't be a problem because a lot of other people out there are established and get blessing. So why not we supposed to get blessing when some of our content is even better than for them? You never hear nobody come back and tell nobody. Just an example. You never hear nobody come back on social media really and tell what they give other people out there. It's only certain people then we take advantage and say what they give. Just like what they do to me and Hannah and certain people. Them a say them want back something. Just like one lady when me in the Jamaica for my birthday, she donated $100 towards my chair and when me a open up my business and whatever. And then 2 years after she cussed me and tell me about, when she said something for my page and me rough her up. She said she want back her money. And my auntie just send back the $100 and send it go give her. After 2 years. Yeah, no, she's one of them. You understand? She's one of them. And so me I tell us a lot of people out there, and when time somebody give you something now, and then come out and whatever, it's then come back on trace, want to come, oh, I give you this. Anybody give me nothing. Nobody expect to get it back. And me not be fool and I give it back to you. You understand? I give when I give people. When you give people things, stop talk about it. Because most of us out here, we deserve it. People like me deserve blessing. I put a lot of smile on phone face out here. Me give on a lot of original, 100% original contents out here. Me not give on nobody contents. Me give on original personality. Me deserve stars. I deserve what you call it? What you call it over here? What you call it over here? Super chat. Me deserve all of that. Me give on no good contents. Nobody not supposed to give no star and no nothing and whatever it is and come back and talk about it. Nobody not supposed to do that. So it come down to the situation where when people can't have the upper hand on you. You see a lot of people they come on social media and them listen to the hypocrisy of these bloggers and they put it in them head that everything them hear the blogger them feel say is true. So them come around you and expect, say, if a blogger come out, they say, and say you're broke and you're this and you're not live now with them, feel like say it's true. Then you have these people now, they come now, we are sympathetic. Can remember when they come out and say, oh, Marcia is they kick up Marcia, evict Marcia and all them sort of something there. The amount of people will get in touch with me. And then the one a yard run me with it down and I talk about say nobody can offer, which is it. She was very fierce here out about me not even go back on the corner there. And people call me and I'm like, Marcia, make me hear upon someone to a page, this and that, say you need help. And I'm like, what? I'm like, what? Who are you talking to? Me have my family them. Me have my money. What you mean? What do you mean by that? And they make a big thing out of it and go on. When these people are suffering, them worse than me. Because some of them are chat and me not go ask you. Them have one bunch of picking. Them have big mortgage. Them have big problem. Them have pitney at Jamaica Senga school. Them have this a pitney so. Them have this. You no can't stay here. You no can't make them harass people. You fool up on social media. They can't fool me. You can't make them fool no. Them can't fool me. You no can't make them come up here and play wise power no. Not a blood clot now go on for them. If something in a go on for them, they wouldn't spend too much time on social media. You notice these married women, how they on social media? You notice these women who claim so they live with blood clot man? You see how them they on social media and spend how much hours? Say, and you call them happy? You must say bumble clot mad. Look on the girl them at Jamaica. Look on some of them people at Jamaica talk about you. Them look like somebody happy? Them if YouTube no pay them money, then can't even buy gas put on them blood clot car good, much less name. That's why them so vicious. Boy, yeah. What are Jamaica? You see how Jamaica is? What is in Jamaica? The Chinese take away the whole economy down there. What is down there? What are they doing? What are they selling? Even if they are business people, what are they selling in Jamaica right now? You know, say all the girls in Jamaica we have business on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok. What are these people producing in Jamaica where China don't have? What kind of money they make? When you go to Jamaica, how many people on the road that sell food? How many people on the road that sell fish and jerk chicken? How many people that sell donut and shrimp? What kind of business them doing? How many people that sell clothes? When clothes they on Shein, I sell for $10, $15. And then the same clothes then go buy and come back and sell for much thousand. Not now go on for them. That is the reason why them so vicious. Not now go on for them. So when you hear some of them talk about I have a business where? What are they selling when all of the stores them beside each other? If you me tell you, a popularity will run things. Popularity. If you are popular on Instagram and Facebook, the people more come to your store. These people who claim to them have business, maybe some of them sell gas. Maybe some of them sell a little chicken, a little shopping in their yard, and I sell something when they talk about them have a business. When people come at their yard, come buy a little coal or buy one little gas. Maybe some of them sell cylinder gas. What kind of business? So that's why you see them come on social media disrespecting people. Who no follow them, no give them no knowing. Give me some likes and some share if you not agree with what I'm saying. 200 odd people and 20 likes is not enough. Make the algorithm or algorithm, whatever they want to call it. Make it spread out and make people hear the truth. So what kind of business do them have when everybody from Jamaica know who have a card can send overseas, go buy them clothes? When you got Jamaica know all of my nieces, them and everybody, online them shop. Online. When you got Jamaica, pay Shein. Jamaica turn Americanized. Pay Shein, pay this one here. Come on. What kind of business them have? Some of them, if it wasn't for TikTok and YouTube, them could have barely paid them pitney school for your yard. Because enough of them have enough pitney. So don't make them fool you. Not now go on for them. And when them can't chat me none at all from me know my life. Me ever take care of myself. Me ever have a roof on my head. And me ever go out and enjoy my life. Nothing no change. whatsoever. Me I do my nails, me I do my tour when me ready, me I buy new clothes almost every week. Not no change. Even when them a call me homeless and I call me this and that, not never change. Me still a go a party, me still a look good said, me still a buy me wig them, me still a do me ear, me still a do me have to do same way. Nothing don't change one bit. And when you look upon them, they are the one that look like them homeless. So me not understand how you people can look at these people for who they are. Me I got restaurants, me I got Olive Garden, me I got Red Lobster, me I got Jamaican restaurant. Do you know how much money for Jamaican restaurants? Do you know how much money I spend a week time on food? When somebody broke, then can't go to Jamaican restaurant every week, every day, much less on the weekend when me go Connie then go buy fish. For every weekend, you know how much when me go Connie them go spend? Every time me go Connie them on the weekend time, $40 me spend. I never go there with $40 and walk out back. Because one food at Connie, if Connie give you a fish or Jeffrey give you a fish, it's $25 and $30. Me always want extra bammy, extra, me want fritters, me want dumpling, me want all kind of something. And then a soup, or me want one shrimp, and the shrimp is $10. Me never go there ask Connie or Jeffrey and me get back change. Every week me spend $40 with them. Ask them in a cart for Connecticut. From me know them over the past 3 years and I shop with them. I have never gone there. The least I spend with them is $35 every week. And every day I go to Pampy's restaurant and buy food. And when the weekend come, me go to Connie them. I want to see for myself. During the winter, me still a go outside we a go Red Lobster. Me still a go Olive Garden go eat. Me still a drive in a my vehicle stead way. Me now drive without insurance. I think yesterday my insurance company text me and tell me say me can get 30% off if me hook up the little sin thing. Me now hook up nothing. Cause me never abide by the rules and regulations. So me now hook up nothing. You know like something you hook up to see how you drive. So me I tell you now. So when people can have something, because even these bloggers that are deliberating over me and I speak, they know so nothing go so. But guess what? Them rather go hell. Them rather come up here and speak about your bad. So them can't get the contents. Even police arrest father for allegedly trying to drown. Me not think me if I go back to it. Some news just pop up on me something a while ago. Even though them know say nothing no go so with them a talk out there. As them hear one little news, them run away with it. Dragging people down. Me I tell you saying if me ever get rich, me I come phone, If I before the last breath left out of my body. If I Marcia Campbell ever come into some money, me just for the fun of it, me carry every blood clot I wanna go courthouse. Just for the fun of it. If I ever, me, Marcia Campbell, every last one on Jamaica and America, if I ever get rich, Master God, me know say leave all revenge unto you. But if I ever come in some money, me say I hire a detective to find every blood. Me say if I even $1 million Jamaican, me I put out that blood clot to find